Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Leleti and here we talk about money and general lifestyle issues. As you may have noticed, I've been away for a while. Well, my phone is broken, so kindly bear with me. When it's fixed, then I'll be able to make more videos. But before then, we went to somewhere in Naivasha and I'm just sharing the place. I will link the name of the place in the description box, so kindly enjoy and bear with me. Also, you may comment on what you may want to see more of in this channel. I will not be able to continue doing the voiceover because it's a challenge, so I'll just add text and some music through this video. It's just a short video. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And thank you for everyone who has shared their concern about me being away from this platform.